Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on the co-curricular record, aka CCR. Essentially, CCR is a way to track all the extracurriculars you're involved in at U of T. So to manage your CCR, head on over to the CLNx website and then log in with your user ID. Go to CCR on the left side. This page explains in more detail what CCR is, and you can also search for opportunities by clicking here. This database isn't exactly complete, but a lot of clubs and programs at U of T do offer CCR recognition. So just by getting involved with student life, you can also receive CCR. These clubs and programs will also explain exactly how you can get recognition. So for example, you might have to attend a certain number of meetings or events. You can also receive CCR when you participate in work study. Now, to manage your CCR and choose which positions you want to show when you download the document, click on Manage CCR. For example, you can see here that I recently got approved for CCR with my work study position. And if I click on this, it'll be added to my record. If I want my CCR record to focus on certain types of positions, I can also just uncheck whichever ones I want. Going into a specific position, click on the title and then click on View this position on my record. So here, you can select which competencies you developed through this position. Essentially, these highlight the skills you built through your position. You can select up to 3, and these will appear on your CCR document next to the specific position. Make sure to update position by clicking on the 3 dots at the bottom here. Now you can see that these changes have saved. Now finally, to download your CCR document, go back to the main dashboard here and click on the 3 dots at the bottom, click Print My CCR, and this will save a PDF to your computer. Some programs at U of T, like Work Study, may also ask to see CCR documents when you apply, so having this record is great. I hope this gave you a good introduction to CCR.